In this video, I will teach you how to use the i10x AI, and this is actually a video for beginners. So first, head over to i10x.ai, and you should be able to see in here this. Click on this Start Now or this Register option in order to register for an account. They have a 7-day money-back guarantee and they have good reviews. So here are some features of i10x. You can use AI chat, also use images and video wherein you can generate it, edit, upscale, and you can also use PDF chat, summarize, and analyze. Have a lot of productivity gains that can help you save hours every day, cut software costs, boost work efficiency while staying focused and productive. Good for plagiarism free and reliable tasks. It's good for entrepreneurs, content creators, students, consultants, and HR professionals. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.